Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to unbox and use a car vacuum cleaner which I have just bought from Flipkart. So let's not waste any time and start the video. So here's the package. Let's open it. One thing I need to tell you that this is not a promotional video. This I have bought for my personal use. So here's the box. Car vacuum cleaner, big powered portable vacuum cleaning. Price, it's written here 2199, but I have bought it in 689. Attachments. And here is the cleaner. Let's unwrap this. So here is the vacuum cleaner. It's pretty lightweight and it stuck in the 12 volt socket, and this is the nozzle, I guess. So let's go to the garage and test it. I will recommend you switch on the engine before using it, so that it will not drain the battery too much. The engine is on. Now let's try to clean all this. Quickly attach the arrange the attachments. This is the filter. Take it out. The wire. This is the nozzle. This thing mainly uses for cleaning the seats. Let's use it now. Here's the switch on and switch off switch. It's already stuck there. Now let's check. I have attached this nozzle so that it can clean the grass particles very easily. This side is clean now, and you can see the difference before cleaning and after cleaning. Now let's move to the driver's side. Well, this is the status before cleaning. Now let's start cleaning. So the cleaning is complete, and now you can see the difference between before cleaning and after cleaning for this side also. It's not properly clean because I have not given too much time here, but what can you expect in this price range? It's pretty cool. Now let's try in the seats. Well, all the dust after cleaning, you just press this button and it's out. You can safely remove the filter and take all this dust out. And don't forget to clean the filter after use for obviously longevity of the product. So the cleaning is complete. I'm pretty much satisfied with this. Obviously it comes with a very cheap price. The wire is long enough to reach everywhere in the car. If you wish to buy the same product, I will put the link in the description box. You can check it in Flipkart. I will say that in this price range, this vacuum cleaner is no doubt pretty good. If you have any kind of questions regarding this, you can put your questions in the comment box. I'll try to answer all this. And one more thing, if you liked the video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe our channel because we regularly post this kind of videos. So till next video, take care of yourself.